on their subconscious mind, which we call as the emotional brain, which is also called as the right brain. They are predominantly on their emotional brain. They are predominantly on their subconscious mind, where all the belief systems were, all the foundation is being set during this early years. But if we don't do it, if we don't shape it in the right way, whatever is that, we are going to lose it, losing the capabilities of the photographic memory, losing the capabilities of the intuition, creativity, imagination. And also whatever you are seeding in right now in the early years is what going to capture very, very well in the blueprint of the for the child's life. And the child is going to grow up believing that to be true, and it's very difficult to erase that. So what are we going to do is the question here, whether we are going to use it or we are going to lose it. Type what you want to do in the chat box, whether you want to use it or whether you want to lose it. Now that you know it, now that you have seen it,